Here we are in the middle of everything that Highett has to offer. The shop's just behind me, the train station across the road, and today we have up for sale Highett's best kept secret. Set at the back of this boutique block is this absolutely gorgeous 2-bedroom apartment. Can't wait to show you, let's go and take a look. My first impression when I walked into this property is how super spacious this living room actually is, complemented by these beautiful timber floors throughout. The bedrooms are both oversized and are serviced by a central bathroom, and this kitchen is really large, which you typically wouldn't see in apartment living. Some of the best features of this property include undercover car parking with secure remote gates, 2 lock-up storage areas, and really high ceilings throughout the property to emphasise the space that it accommodates. Typically, when you're in the heart of any shopping precinct or near a train station, noise can be a factor, but I can tell you, because we are sheltered at the back of the block here, it's actually really peaceful and quiet. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and I look forward to seeing you at the inspection.